15-day Get in Shape Program for Beginners. This 15-day workout plan for beginners is a great way to get in shape and shed pounds fast. Maybe you have a big event coming up in 2 weeks that you want to look fantastic for, or perhaps you're going on vacation and you haven't paid attention to your body for a while. The weight has slowly crept on and suddenly that gorgeous new bathing suit doesn't look as good as it did when you tried it on in the shop that you bought it from. It's time to take stock of your weight and really focus on getting into shape, fast. You've only got 15 days, but it can be done. What is needed is discipline, dedication, and a program that really works. Read on to find out how to get in shape in 15 days, for beginners. 1. Address your diet. First things first, you must reassess what you're eating. If you aren't eating right, then you won't lose weight. You either need to think about your fat and carb intake or you need to cut calories. For quick results, the best thing you can do is adopt a keto approach. This is when you cut carbs from your diet, but you need to be vigilant. There are no cutting corners with this one, and it also means removing all alcohol. The upside is you can eat fat, but good fat, so avocados, nuts, olive oil, oily fish, etc. You'll find you can lose up to 10 pounds in 2 weeks on keto, although initially, this is usually water. Usually, your body uses carbs as its energy source, but when there are no carbs available, it switches to fat, so it burns it off instead. To get your body to do this, you remove carbs, your body then reaches a state called ketosis, and this is when it switches its energy source over. It is very effective, but it can make you feel lethargic for the first 7 to 10 days, bear with it if you want real results. 2. Drink water. You must drink water. It's essential for a healthy body and for weight loss. Drinking 2 liters a day beats the bloat too and flushes out toxins and impurities. If you're holding water, it is just added weight, so help it move through your system. You'll also get a beautiful healthy looking skin too. Win-win. 3. Embark on a fitness program. As well as eating healthily, you need to address your cardiovascular exercise. There are lots of things you can do. Let's start with the easy wins first, those added exercises that you can easily slot into your daily routine for almost unnoticeable extra workouts. Take the stairs. If you work on the 4th floor, don't take the lift. Adding in more leg work will help to tone your calves and improve your heart rate. If you're constantly up and down floors at work, imagine, that's plenty of extra exercise. Walk, don't take the bus, train or car. Wherever possible, use your legs instead. Even if it means walking an extra bus stop or parking the car further away. Just an extra hour of walking a week will burn an additional 250 calories, depending on the person. Use small weights. Buy small strap-on weights for your ankles and wrists and wear them as much as you can. This speeds up your metabolism and increases your endurance. 4. Your exercise program. Now we've covered diet and unnoticeable exercise, we need to think about your exercise program. The following is a tried and tested program that helps you to tone up and shift extra weight in just 15 days. It works 4 days on, 1 recovery day off, and then back onto the program as well. All you need to do is purchase or borrow a set of dumbbells of approximately 8 pounds and a gym mat. Every day, there are 3 moves. You need to repeat these moves in sets. Rest in between sets for up to 90 seconds only and repeat, until you've achieved all the rounds. Week 1, Day 1. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 10x squats. Stand with your legs hip-width apart, toes facing forwards, and slowly drop your bottom as if you are sitting into a chair, but hold it at chair height. You can use a chair if you want. Just don't sit on it, hover just above the seat. Stick your bottom out as far as you can while keeping a straight back and hold your arms in front of you. Repeat this 10 times. 12x walking lunges. Stand straight and then take one leg forward into a long lunge, bring your other foot up to meet it and then use the meeting leg to move forward into another long lunge. Keep repeating 12 times. 10x sumo squats. S is the squats above, except this time, turn your feet out to the side like a sumo and squat 10 times. Repeat these exercises 3 times. Week 1, Day 2. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 20x toe touches. Lie down on the mat with your legs parallel and held up in the air, then lift your upper body up and try and touch your toes, release and repeat, 20 times. 24x plank hip twists. Put your body into a plank, lying on the floor on your tummy. Raise up onto your tiptoes and elbows so your body is straight, hips not too high. Then twist your hips either side 24 times slowly for full benefit. Repeat these exercises 3 times. Week 1, Day 3. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 5x push-ups. Put your body into plank position but use your hands rather than your elbows to hold up your body weight. Squeeze your elbows into the side of your body as you raise up and down to really work your arms. 10x shoulder presses. Stand straight with your legs slightly bent. Using your dumbbells, start with your arms at right angles either side of your chest and raise the dumbbells upward slowly, then back to the side of your chest x 10 times. 10x dumbbell rows, each side. Stand with your body lightly angled and hold one dumbbell to the side with your elbow bent, push the dumbbell backward slowly and then bring it back to the starting position, repeat 10 times and then switch sides. Repeat these exercises 3 times. Week 1, Day 4. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 24x donkey kicks, each side. Position yourself on the gym mat on all fours. Raise one leg and kick out slowly upwards, repeat 24 times and switch sides. 10x sumo squats, as before. 12x single leg glute bridges. Position yourself lying down on your back and raise your legs into a bridge, then raise one leg up so your body weight is being held by one leg and your back. Drop your body down to the floor and back up for 12 times, repeat on the other leg. Repeat these exercises 3 times. Week 1, Day 5. Rest day. Take it easy, eat healthily and if you're feeling energetic go for a brisk walk. Week 1, Day 6. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 10x squats, as before. 15x sumo squats, as before. 30x walking lunges, as before. Repeat all exercises 3 times. Week 1, Day 7. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 24x toe touches, as before. 30x plank hip twists, as before. 24x bicycle crunches. Lie down on the floor with your hands behind your head and then raise your upper body up as far as you can while raising one bent leg. Twist your body so your elbow meets the raised, bent leg's knee and slowly release back down, repeat on the other side. Do this x 24 times. Repeat all exercises 3 times. Week 2, Day 8. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 5x push-ups, as before. 12x shoulder presses, as before. 12x dumbbell rows, as before, each arm. Repeat all exercises 3 times. Week 2, Day 9. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going, 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 40x donkey kicks, as before. 15x sumo squats, as before. 20x single leg glute bridges, as before, either side. Repeat all exercises 3 times. Week 2, Day 10. Rest day. Take it easy, eat healthily, and if you're feeling energetic, go for a brisk walk. Week 2, Day 11. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going. 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 15x squats, as before. 30x plank hip twists, as before. 24x bicycle crunches, as before. Repeat all exercises 3 times. Week 2, Day 12. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going. 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 15x squats, as before. 24x walking lunges, as before. 15x sumo squats, as before. Repeat all exercises 4 times. Week 2, Day 13. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going. 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 24x toe touches, as before. 30x plank hip twists, as before. 24x bicycle crunches, as before. Repeat all exercises 4 times. Week 2, Day 14. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going. 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 5x push-ups, as before. 12x shoulder presses, as before. 12x dumbbell rows, as before, each arm. Repeat all exercises 4 times. Week 3, Day 15. Wow, you've made it to the last day, awesome. Start with a brisk walk to get your heart rate going. 15 minutes is enough, and then begin your workout. 40x donkey kicks, as before, each side. 15x sumo squats, as before. 20 single leg glute bridges, as before, each side. Repeat all exercises 4 times. We are sure you can see and feel the difference from day 1. Now, have a break and then get back on board to maintain your new fitness levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel valuable and meaningful to you, don't forget to give me a like and share button so that others will receive the same value as you. Please comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press the subscribe button below and click on the notification tone to get the earliest notification every time I release a video.